guys, and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create a Discord account on PC. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your PC, and on the search box on top of your screen, simply type discord.com. Hit enter, and this should redirect you to the official website of the Discord application. Now, on the top right corner of this website, you'll be able to see the login button. Click on it. This should redirect you to the Discord's login page. Now, if you do not have an account, you're going to have to register for Discord. So go ahead and click on that register link. Now simply fill out these informations to create an account on Discord. Go ahead and enter your email. You can also select a display name, however you can edit it out later on as well. Go ahead and enter your username. After that, set a password for your Discord account. Now select your date of birth. Go ahead and click on continue. Now you'll be required to verify that you're a human. Simply go ahead and click on this checkbox to verify that you're a human. You'll also be required to do some CAPTCHA tests. After you have finished your verification, your account will be created. So go ahead and cross this out. Now to verify your account, you'll be sent an email on the email address that you provided to Discord. So go ahead and open your email. As you can see, I have been sent this verification email by Discord. Go ahead and click on the verify email. Click on continue to Discord. Now, if you have this application stored, you can simply click on the open Discord button. This will redirect you to the app on your PC, but this is basically what the interface will look like, and you can create your servers, you can add friends on Discord and chat with them. And this is how you can create a Discord account on PC. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.